As we get older, our skin starts to lose its elasticity and firmness. This is because our body produces less collagen, a protein that gives our skin its strength and structure. However, there are certain nutrients that can help boost collagen production and improve the health and appearance of our skin. In this video, I will be discussing the top 5 nutrients that can help you achieve healthier, more youthful-looking skin. So, grab a pen and paper and get ready to take some notes. By the way, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Now let's begin. Why is collagen important? Before we dive into the top 5 nutrients, let's first understand why collagen is important for our skin. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body, and it's responsible for providing structure and support to our skin, bones, and connective tissues. It's like the glue that holds everything together. As we age, our body produces less collagen, which leads to wrinkles, sagging skin, and weaker bones. By boosting collagen production, we can help slow down the aging process and improve the overall health and appearance of our skin. Top 5 nutrients to boost collagen production. Number 1. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our skin from damage caused by free radicals. It's also essential for the production of collagen. Vitamin C helps convert proline, an amino acid, into hydroxyproline, which is a key component of collagen. Without enough vitamin C, our body can't produce enough collagen to maintain healthy skin. Some of the best food sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers. Number 2. Zinc. Zinc is another essential nutrient for collagen production. It's involved in the synthesis of collagen and helps protect our skin from oxidative stress. Zinc also plays a role in wound healing, which is important for maintaining healthy skin. Good food sources of zinc include oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and lentils. Number 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are healthy fats that are essential for our body's function. They're also important for maintaining healthy skin. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation in our body, which can help improve the health and appearance of our skin. They also help regulate oil production, which can help prevent acne. Some of the best food sources of omega-3 fatty acids include fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds. Number 4. Copper. Copper is an essential mineral that plays a role in collagen synthesis. It's also involved in the production of elastin, another protein that's important for maintaining the elasticity of our skin. Copper helps activate enzymes that are necessary for collagen production. Some good food sources of copper include shellfish, liver, nuts, and seeds. Number 5. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant that helps protect our skin from damage caused by free radicals. It's also essential for collagen production. Vitamin E helps prevent the breakdown of collagen in our skin, which can help keep it looking firm and youthful. Good food sources of vitamin E include almonds, spinach, and avocados. 3 practical tips to boost collagen production. Number 1. Eat a healthy diet. The first and most important tip for boosting collagen production is to eat a healthy diet. Focus on eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean protein sources. Make sure to include foods that are rich in vitamin C, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, copper, and vitamin E. Number 2. Avoid smoking and excessive sun exposure. Smoking and excessive sun exposure can both damage our skin and reduce collagen production. Try to avoid smoking and limit your exposure to the sun. If you do go out in the sun, make sure to wear sunscreen and protective clothing. Number 3. Use skincare products that contain collagen-boosting ingredients. Another practical tip to boost collagen production is to use skincare products that contain ingredients that promote collagen synthesis. Look for products that contain vitamin C, retinol, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients have been shown to help improve the health and appearance of our skin by boosting collagen production. It's important to note that while these tips can help boost collagen production, they won't work overnight. It takes time and consistent effort to see results. So be patient and keep up with a healthy lifestyle and skincare routine. In conclusion, Collagen is an essential protein that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and appearance of our skin. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods into our diet and using skincare products that contain collagen-boosting ingredients, we can help boost collagen production and achieve healthier, more youthful-looking skin. Remember to eat a healthy diet, avoid smoking and excessive sun exposure, and use skincare products with collagen-boosting ingredients. With consistent effort, you can achieve the healthy, glowing skin you've always wanted. Ready to take your healthcare to the next level? Check out this video for valuable insights and practical tips to overcome any obstacles hindering your progress. Let's dive into the world of health and well-being together.